Yo, SALINA in this bitch about to get lit. What's up? I said, what's up? Hey, y'all. It's been a whole week since I posted last, and I'm trying to, be consistent with you guys. Like my eyebrows. I know. I pop my shit. Update tutorial coming soon. Let's get into it. First, I already did my eyebrows, so I'm gonna put a little bit more of this concealer from the LA Girl Pro Concealer from LA Girl in the color Fawn on my lids, because I'm gonna do this these eyes. I'm gonna set my eyes down. My hair's in the way. I don't appreciate that. I don't appreciate that shit at all. Alright. I did wash my face, of course, and I use this Wet and Wow matte face primer. Now I'm finna go in using the matte book. We only use black on over here. That's all I have when it comes to palettes, but everything else I don't think it's black radiance, black on, because sometimes they just be saying black. They just putting the word black and stuff in there to act like it is black, but it ain't black. But we're not gonna talk about it right now. But I gotta speak on it. But let me zip right in here. Zip in these colors. I'm gonna do red, black, silver. Red, black, and silver part of the day. I don't know. I'm just going with the flow. Whatever I feel like doing, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit this red first. I might do red and brown and black. Red, brown. I need my little mirror, because y'all know I can't do shit without her. Can't do shit without her. Shout out to Super, said she been pop her shit forever. I want to be like her when I grow up. Then we're going to get another brush. That's just my, little eye brush. I'm going to take this brush from Wet and Wild. It's just a eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna dip into this brown right here. Do I want to do a dark brown, or I think I'm gonna do this brown right here. Let me see how I look first, cause I fuck with it, but it ain't really giving me what I was thinking it was gonna give me. But I'm gonna which is this Moodle Molder brush, I already know, and zip into this dark brown and put it in my crease. Okay, I'm gonna do a cut crease. Y'all know this white from LA Girl Pro Concealer is very pigmented, so you gotta be careful with her. See, I need to go get some more, because I'm out of damn near every single thing, and that's not very, cute. I'm gonna take this little here. I'm gonna take this brush right here. It's a little foot, but it's gonna get the job done. It's from it's just an extra brush that I got. I got a pack of brushes that I got from my brushing. It's a kid. Her crease is like simple, but it's not simple because it took me a long period of time to get that shit right. But to each his own, to each his own. Done with that. Let that sit. I think I want to put a little bit of like red, and I might do a wing. Well, I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm gonna just hit you hoes with the this right here, gold. Period. Gold. I'm gonna just outline. And put that in the corner. Like that. That's all she wrote. I'm not your typical blue. I do what I want. This is the eye look that came out. It came out pretty decent. I'm using the Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation from Baby's Family. And I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of my banana setting powder from Black Radiance. Blend it down. Make sure you blend that shit out. Make sure you blend it out. Blend it till it blend out. Yeah, okay, pretty much done with that. And I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Let it. LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color, like I said, Fawn. And I'm just hit my little spots like. I'm gonna B.O.B. hold that down for a minute. I'm gonna use the darkest brown out of here, this palette, because I don't got that in. Now that that's dry, settled down, it's time to pop your shit. You gotta let this shit sit for real for a little minute, because if you move, I move. Just like that. You're not supposed to do anything but, yeah. Use this brush right here and start blending out the contour because it's looking a little rough around the edges. Okay. I would set down my, foundation, but where's bitch going? Nowhere. Just, do this for entertainment person. Stop it. Get my shabunka, shabang. Stop fucking playing with me. Stop playing with me. I'm gonna use this Paradise. This is from Black Radiance. Because my hair ain't right. It'll never end up right. You know how you first take your hair down from like a twist out or anything? Your shit don't never end up how you wanted to end up, because it be on some bullshit. My hair she don't never act right. Like, sis don't never fucking act right. Like, whenever I need you to be there for me, you're never there for me. You're never there for me. And I just want to let you know that, baby, you deserve the best. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Yeah. And I just want you to know. Look, he ain't itching. Money, 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 money. Money. Thanks for watching. Y'all had to stay that low, but y'all did. I appreciate it. Whoever stayed that low. Yeah. Well, that's my final look. Like I said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below in the comments where they supposed to go. Salina out there did. Stay lit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, by the way, like I said.